What's the news? What's the news? Oh, my bold Shelmalier, with your long barreled gun of the sea. Say what wind from the sun blows his messenger here, with a hymn of the dawn for the free. Goodly news, do I bring you the first? Goodly news shall you hear, Bargeman, for the boys march at morn from the south to the north, led by Kelly the boy from Killanne. Tell me, who is that giant with gold curling hair? He who rides at the head of your band. 7 feet is his height, with some inches to spare, and he looks like a king in command. My lads, that's the pride of the bold Shelmaliers, 'mong our greatest of heroes, a man. Fling your beavers aloft and give 3 ringing cheers for John Kelly, the boy from Killanne. Enniscorthy's in flames, and old Wexford is won, and the Barrow tomorrow we'll cross. On a hill o'er the town we have planted a gun that will batter the gateways of Ross. All the 4th men and bargemen will march o'er the heath, with brave Harvey to lead in the van. But the foremost of all, in the grim gap of death, will be Kelly But the gold sun of freedom grew darkened at Ross, and it sat by the Slaney's red waves, and poor Wexford, stripped naked, hung high on a cross, with her heart pierced by traitors and slaves. Glory, oh, glory, oh, to her brave sons who died for the cause of long downtrodden man. Glory, oh, to Mount Leinster's own darling and pride. Dauntless Kelly